Abnormal.
Meaning, abnormal refers to something that deviates from what is normal, usual, or expected. Definition: abnormal is an adjective used to describe something that is irregular, unusual, or out of the ordinary, often indicating a deviation from the typical or accepted standard. Examples in sentences. 1. The doctor was concerned when the test results showed abnormal levels of blood sugar. Here, abnormal refers to the levels being unusual or not typical. 2. Maria's abnormal reaction to the medication worried her doctors. In this sentence, abnormal means Maria's reaction was out of the ordinary and unexpected. Usage: abnormal is commonly used to describe anything that differs from the usual, especially in medical, scientific, or psychological contexts.
English practice.